Right, let's get started. Welcome to Moldex3D's webinar on the topic of bridging the gap, translating molding process sheets to Moldex3D simulations. I'm Anand Bora. I'm the Customer Success Account Manager here at Moldex3D. Have been with the company 5+ years and is located in Farmington Hills, Michigan. Okay, so today's topic will be covering CAE mode versus machine mode, how to set that up in Moldex3D. It's quite daunting to translate machine parameters from the shop floor into the molding sheet into Moldex3D machine mode setup. So we'll be looking at those parameter setup and transforming the real process sheet into machine mode in the simulation world, and then understanding the different types of process setups that we have, CAE mode versus machine mode 1 and 2, and then conclusion. So setting methods, we have primarily two methods, the CAE mode and the machine mode. Machine mode is broken into two, machine mode 1 by profile and machine mode 2 by injection time, and we'll quickly go over the different options that are and the different processes that are here. CAE mode, this is the general process method that majority of the times we'll be using, about 70 to 80% of the times. This is the mode that we predominantly see our users using that. And this method, we are basically setting the flow rate by time, or the fill time is an input in here. In machine mode 1, specify the flow rate by flow by screw speed or the flow rate directly. And in case of machine mode 2, which is kind of a rare scenarios where we'll be using machine mode 2, and we'll quickly go over that in the next slide. It's a combination of CAE mode and the machine mode 1, where the specify the flow rate using the filling time, which is kind of rare occurrence, but that option is out there if somebody wants to use it. So which process do I use? Do I use the CAE mode or the machine mode? And it depends on what you're trying to achieve. If you're in the early phase of your design phase, or you don't have enough machine information available, then in general you want to use the CAE mode. But let's quickly understand what scenarios are there that we definitely go for CAE mode, and which ones do we go for machine mode. In today's presentation is going to be about the machine mode and translating the process sheet. So we'll quickly review the basics of how is flow specified and which mode we use when.